Boza Grace. Kuthiwa ephathini ufika udlile. Sishayile. Nangu mase sikhumela lo. Ona mali kodwa izinto zenzayo. Usita Boza. Boza maboze. Kaya my Boza squad. Awuyadlala. Ngiyadlala. Guys, also I just lost 1,600 kabang. Unjani, I hope you're right. Igama lami ngumandisa wakakheso isibongo, and if you are watching me for the first time in your screen, it's Mina, welcome. And if you are already a subscriber, kahle kahle wena we Boza. And if you too want to join the Maboza squad, just feel free, press on that subscribe button njengamanje. Like a video ngoba ngiyazi uzokhohlwa. We have been invited to the Grace Mudlani year-end celebration Washwele, and guess what? You can along Boza, we have a nail appointment in njengoba sikhuluma nje, so let's rush to my nail tech, and after that we're gonna look for an outfit together nje mina nawe siya egoli. Currently manje ngise KFC. I'm going home because konke yenzekile kumshini wokuwasha, so now I have to go home kuyowasha ingubo, and then muye ekhaya guys kumele uphathe umngena endlini, so I'm outside KFC waiting for our order, and then sohamba. Hopefully ugogo usakhona ekhaya. Ave ngimthanda ugogo wami guys. Yo, I love my grandma. This one yonke. Nail tech, and also I went home to do washing igcwele ulayini. Right now sinomfana, we are about to shoot a house tour. He's helping me. Say hi. And ufosiwe guys kanzima gab. We have champagne. Yo, awufisa ukwazi ukuthi isikhatsini thana nginitshengise. And we have our flowers from Spa. And this is the time. I have to shoot this njengamanje because umfana is leaving for Joburg. Nami ngizobe ngimlandela, but we still have not found an outfit yaka Grace. We are going to look and find two outfits, esoyigqoka Dark and Lovely and esoyigqoka Grace. Ka Grace kune team, and nje i-team yakhona kuthiwa anything green, olive, yabo nje green uhlaza. So if you're still watching this vlog, ngithi mina mwah. I hope you're enjoying, and kusazoba mnandi. Baby, like the sun.
Let me see.
Good morning, Kozayami. If you have not watched the house tour, it should be like the video previously. And if you did, let me know what is your favorite thing, yabo. And if you wish to know about the place, because indawo zayithola Facebook Marketplace. Guys, don't sleep on Facebook Marketplace. So currently umfana is all packed. He is leaving me behind. Uya egoli. But I will be going with him because ngizomshiya airport. And then we are going to find an outfit namhlanje. If we don't find an outfit namhlanje, then I see egoli. But if we do, we might just book a flight to London. Also, I have been looking for a wig. Ipixie yami all over this house. I can't find it. I feel like that's self-sabotage because ngimele ngiyibheke izolo ebusuku. Manje sengiyatatazela sengiyibheke umfana kade ihamba ibhadi engishili la. I had all the time. I did try to look for it. I couldn't find it anyway. Bengifuna customize it and then install it later on, noma first thing in the morning and then leave for Joburg. But if local angeke kwenzeke, we're gonna figure it out le outfits. And then le khanda soyibona egoli. Azande Madlala, shout out. Azande Madlala recently opened another place lapha esaluni yakhe, which is a bigger space. Sizohamba siyoyivakashela, sizoshaya collaboration. Yeah. Angenzi khanda. Mhlawumbe we might even untie this senze into natural yabo. Noma we can install. We're gonna figure it out, and then I'll also be doing my makeup. Amkela uyabenyathi. Super excited. Ngiyayithanda makeup hlezi ngiyibona, but now usenza abantu yabo. Nawe ke mfuna ukwenza makeup usuzongibona ngoSaturday ukuthi njani bese uyambhuku and azale. Kodwa for now Nkosi yami, let's start this Thursday. If kini benga emphasize lento le, ngicela ukuemphasizela. It is so important for you to have the skill or know the skill of driving. Iba driver's license, yazi. This is your sign to get your driver's learners, no your driver's license. Like you make people's life easier and your life too, because as city manager you have to go to the mall. Unikiwe imoto awusakwazi wena ngisho ukwenzani yabo. Okunye ngiyazi ke lehlezi beyishwa abantu abadala. Uzothola umsebenzi unikwe imoto. Mina my first car job sales in less than 3 days banginika imoto kwathiwa na imoto ngilo ngikhala ngokuthi uye eThekwini gibela ama taxi awekho ama taxi washatha noma kwathiwa na imoto angaqhaqhazela emgaqweni kodwa kwayakhona. So uvalo aside stages with 10,000 people watching. I've acted out my love stages with 10. Awusafundi ukhamba.
Khona ngizokhaka. Bye.
Bye my love. Safe travels. I'll see you soon. I have this dress in blue. I love it so much. Comfortability yayo. Nayo bengayigqoka ukuthi nje I never perform. But it's different. I know definitely there will be someone ugqokele. Yeah, ngiyithanda nayo. This has to definitely be my favorite dress thus far. Into engibhora ngayo ukuthi icishe ifana nale ngangigqoke kaBotawu. But guys, I feel so comfortable in this dress. It's very long and I could cheat lento yecathulo ngaqwa ngisho amatengu because kuthiwa we should wear like comfortable shoes. I mean athuyakodla ngakubanzo kolozo zobona ama crew ayikodwa ngithandela ukujabo so yabona ngizomosha kakhulu. I'm currently at one of my favorite places for breakfast. They sell breakfast until 12. I am a breakfast girly. Gifuna updates. I did go around and find dresses, but I am not winning. Those dresses are just dresses in J. they are not like dresses yabo. Ngisezoqhubeka ngifuna ukukhokha umoya ngithi breakfast kancane and then siphinde siqhubeke. And then also into kade ngifuna ukuyisho ukuthi I am actually Uber collecting a gift. I decided to give Grace Mondlane a gift, customized, personalized. It's beautiful. I cannot wait to show you guys. I hope by repair in a way because if I'm going to the airport I need that thing wrapped. And then ngifuna ukutshela nje uGrace Mondlane uyaziwa organized and yini manje le sekubuka isimemo sephathi vele lento uzoyibona isiphathi sidlulile phosa izwe isimemo sengane ibona okhala laba beteam uyabo hence ngilo ingoko green inspose amantombazane yabo it's giving clean girl aesthetic bahle yonke inhlobo green bengimthanda lo green lo ngathi light uphashile lo hayi sizohamba siyena ka YDE ngimbonile okhona kanjalo amapheya nje uthi think deep forest think amapheya think izinto ezigreen ihlahla ama grapes yabo izinto kanjalo we could match it with all white and then abafana laba bazobe kanjena. I'm super excited to see ukuthi how each person incorporated the theme bayenze kanjani. And then usaqhubeka usashaya ngayo i-team ufuna sibe green uGrace uyamthanda umuntu olalelayo wazi wakutshela ukuthi mu asisela rise mhlawumbe ungasirize kanjani yabona nje lo ufake no gold yonke into yalo mntana mfethu iclean ithule iwuyena yabo no white and lawn so angibe versatile nami ngilo ngiyibuka lento lena. And then wasewasho ukuthi gates will be closed at 1400 yavala ama gates uyacela bandla ni follow ishi team and then wear comfortable shoes because so there's that get mad but it's like Durban nights we are going to the Grace Mondlane sihamba sonke abantu. Also manje it's Thursday I just got an email from her uyaconfirma ukuthi thank you Mandisa for confirming and now I have a unique code. Ngizontshengisa i-code because this I'm not posting in real time angeke isasebenza but you get your own personalized QR code to like enter the party. So if ungamenyiwe angeke uzungene. Also not a plus one wami but I was gonna go with Ulangelihle. Unfortunately akasahambi. So I'm a bit very sad about that.
I've been so many places in my life and time. I've sung a lot of songs, I've made some bad rhymes. I've acted out my
Hello my butterfly.
10,000 people watching. I've acted out my love on stages. 10,000 people watching. I've acted out my love on stages with 10,000 people watching. But we're alone now, down south, singing this song for you. I've acted out my love on stages with 10,000 stages. 10,000 people watching. I've acted out my love on stages.
Yeah, airport fit. But I'm thinking of also getting Lawa a black. So I don't know now. Do I get him the same? I'll get him the same. If he doesn't like it, he's gonna come back as we change. I'm getting him the same. This, and I'm getting Lawa a black. Yeah. Guys, I'm here to buy Lona. Avinguela mnandi. Keali, Fuji marshmallow. Sengibuka yena already. Noma ngamfutha kanani ngimtshelile guys ukuthi ngiyamthenga. Kodwa I'll buy the smaller one because anginayo imali ka malini lo?
2,600.
Guys, also I just lost 1,600 kabang. 1,600 kabang. Qathakile imali cash. I'm so kodwa nje kumele ngiyamkele kuyimanje ukuthi angisanalo mali. I'll pay by card. Okay. Is vele ithi ifi ngisukhokha. Ngifuna utshengisa yakhe ukuthi sengithengile and shout out kuMabutho for ukungi-influence. Angazi ukuthi bahlangana phi no-clicks la kodwa angazi ukuthi uyasave uma usebenzisa u-clicks.
You paid less at Clicks with great savings.
Thank you. Guys, I really wanted to do a giveaway channel yami ku Instagram ebhala ukuthi amabhoza. I wanted to give away tickets Gagasi Beach Fest. And I just heard now ready to sold out cabang. But that's fine. I'll try and find tickets for you guys to give away. Any event. Okunye, I have one ticket that I am about to post Dark and Lively that I would love to give away. If you are still not tuned kuleya channel leya nibhala ukuthi amabhoza, when you go to my Instagram, just click lapha kwi-bio igama layo amabhoza. That's where I give people like amatikiti every time when I have extra ila. But guys, I still have not like made peace ngale mali ngilahlile. Lahle kanjani imali angazi. Ngenze ukuthi because my camera was inside my bag. The time lo ngikhipha icamera ngishootha mhlawumbe imali iwile. I had 2,000 rands cash inside the bag, and then also I did leave my bag at the restaurant. Ngibatshela ukuthi ngisazobe izinto emotweni. And then when I went back, I did not open my bag. Ngilonile ngikhokhe ngicard angikaze ngisebenzise lo cash. So when I wanted to use the cash, it was not there. I even called umfana just for him to say yes babe yabo. But it's fine. Hello my boss squad. Okay. Now we're talking. I'm talking slits la. Yabo. Yawubazela. Angithanda ukuthi uzipho la ebheka. I like how snatched I am. We are done. We finally got the dresses. I think the time is around 4.
One crazy sweet sensation. You're all that I imagine. No question on my mind. You make it happen.
That they are very comfortable. They're from H&M, and that's the last thing I'm buying. I'm at my crustiest, and the amount of amabhoza engiwabonayo mengimumbi. Yes, right now I'm going to visit a friend. We're going to him now. He's gonna see my crusty ass, and then some zumchela uguti. We are going to the Grace party. Abezo jabul nyamaz. Timtanda kangangona. Uyandinumisa, uyandithanda, hleze seduze kwami. Ama-mannequin akhona, they look so real. Someone? Ngicela something. Ngicela ukuthi ubhuti lapha uyi-mannequin angisahleki ngoba ngibona ukuthi uyanyakaza. I want to get your reaction. I got invited to Grace Montana's first
Crazy.
I'm going to see Grace Montana.
No, I know her. But
year-end party for Saturday.
That's you.
Ngikhethiwe. Thiwa kuyakhetha. Uyaselect.
Awungeni noma.
Yo,
she knows we know.
Awuboza, uyathanda uKrazy. Guys, sesiyahamba. Nasifunda nje namhlanje nginamabhadi. Shuthi kahle kahle u7. I don't know. Masifika endlini, I'm gonna freshen up. Sizama ukupheka. If kwenzeka might leave to Joburg. If it doesn't, then it's fine. I'm gonna leave tomorrow morning, but I think the most ideal thing is for us to leave tomorrow morning. Yeah, but I'm happy. I found a dress. I found something I'm gonna wear with Dark and Lively. I bought Umvana something nice as like nje ukuthi ngiyamthanda. Funda buka le vlog ifethu usazobona wena. I come back and this is everything I got. Umvana sengibukile flight time ingo 12:35. We're gonna make it and we're gonna have time to sleep. Got these flowers from Ispa with 100 rand. Guys, instead of the flowers staying here in Dinyame, I decided to bring them along with me because I'll be staying at a friend's in Ginigeze and Abo. And then I got this from Factory. And then I also got these cool sweatpants. So yeah, I got the mixing two because I'm buying for myself and also Umfana, guys. Yeah, because it smells like marshmallows and the name of cologne, marshmallow, bougie marshmallow, like the name says it. Imnandi. We asked store member, I told 15% off, and I asked for a sample. Now you have the right to do that. Corner next time you have an idea of what to get. I might like it. And then Da Vinci, get over the perfume. What's in this? Also smells nice. And then from Factory again, I got these shades for free. Yeah, Sunburn, Ileskipper, which I kind of liked to our open gallery. Also, I had to support charity. I used to work at Factory, so yeah, the charity, Baka iskole kwamashu. Yeah, and they work kakhulu nonomzamo bathi. Bayibiza manje nge-young designers. Yabo balibiza lonke igama manje abasayibizi ngo-YDE. Mese at home singathenga lo i-diffuser. Kade sengifuna ukuzwisa umakhelwane wami la. Kanti ngithi ngizophopha lo wavele wenzeke kanje. Shuthi manje kumele ngimbushe. I hope I give it, guys. And then I got these shoes from H&M. They're so comfortable. Also, I got this lo niacinamide. Hamburg shoni. Imtanda grips. And then I got Lama. I like them all, 350 bahts. I saw more beautiful ones in H&M and I was like, flip. Sengiwathengile lawa. But ngifuna ukuba gold. And then khona enye impahla engiyithengile mfethu laphayana. Ubraya uphusha amabele injanje njani ngathi swimming costume. Isinambe sithi ntsanga. My dress is green. That's the theme. I decided on picking that one. Isizame egcineni. Yeah. Then that's what's seen. Sithenge lona. Guys, I've been wanting a matchega black. Yo, finally, it feels in the funny way. Bobby's on hand. Shorts. Yeah. They would the table readily, boom. It hasn't been born. I'm going to go my boom, Angie. What I mean, none, singing, and the boss for pay my down $2,799. And then this is Grace Mondani's gift, guys. Oh my god. We specialize in gifting, packaging, Mandisa Lo, Mandisa Laxi. Ooh. If I look at Grace Mondani and the Ufage Ipo. Guys, ngiyafuna ukuyivula lento lena inkinga mhlawumbe izongihlaba in terms of like rapper. Futhi ngiyathanda indlela abayilethe ngayo because people can't see ukuthi yini. Oh my god, abazojabula uGrace futhi ngiyamazi abathanda ukupheka. And then how lena abayifaka ngibo. This is a chopping board. Na ibhala ukuthi Grace Mondlana. I hope Grace iyayithanda lento lena, guys. Yini le ifana neyami ukuthi bona ukuthi ibhala ukuthi makhezwa, and each spoon has this makheza. Oh, Grace Mondlane, I hope she likes her gifts. I have a flight to catch Sussex, so let's get ready for that. Samzolala.
Morning Pozayami, so namhlanje it is a Friday, kusasa. The Grace Mundlane celebration is happening eGoli. So sesibheke khona ngiphathele umnganami flowers. This is my outfit, my airport fit. Wena ngitela amasha. And ngiready. Uber is 1 minute away. Uqala eGateway because ngifuna ukuyothenga isikhwama lapha kaZara. It's gold because I couldn't find my bag. And after that, Uber driver also slinda and then say airport. Assembly was
The vision is too bright. Sengisho ukuthi in and out, maybe in and out. Muthe uyaka-click uyothenga. Muthe uyaka-click mfethu uyothenga i-lip gloss ka-Essence. Ngena ka-click uthenga i-lip gloss ka-Essence uphuma uhambe. Hayi lento yakho.
I've acted out my love stages with 10,000 people watching.
Start boarding at 12:05, get A9. Please check your name, destination, you right sign that you will go Kamara.
I just want to give you an update when it comes to time. We're early.
People watching. But we're alone now, singing out.
And then ngisaba ukuyenza-ke manje is to go to the airport lounges because ngisaba ukuthi izoba late.
With 10,000 people watching.
For the visit, I just want to give you an update. This is the time. It's Sfikile Goli. I'm currently going to SN10 at the hotel and also Kazengalamba. So we're probably gonna miss Figa and go for a lunch in November. Super excited. I hope you're still enjoying. Tandaza njengamanje ukuthi le kamera ingasasigili ngoba we cannot afford that. Kulungileke. I'll give you another checkup Mrs. Figa khona hotel.
One crazy sweet sensation. You're all that I imagine. No question on my mind, girl. You make it happen. You make it happen. You make it happen. One crazy sweet sensation.
Dimthanda kangangolwandle uyandinqumisa uyandithanda hleze seduze kwami ulisoja ungumntu ebantwini dimthanda kangangolwandle ndithi woyoyoyoyo woyoyoyoyo woyoyoyoyo
Hi guys, Dr. Glenda. Singing umfana mnanje finally. Lambeni guys. Isikhathi nje sishonile. And sino Azande we ended up deciding ukuthi for leyo kuluka ngizofika ekseni vele uAmu the one who's going to be doing my makeup usebenza e-studio sakhe, so it's the same studio. I'll do my hair and makeup tomorrow morning, but for now some sort chola asambe siyodla ngilambile. And yeah, singeli ifana kanye ngeqolo
Small, ne?
no medium lingana nami ngathi amabhlowa makulingana.
Thanks. And yeah, corner lapha. Nazayihle. Asante. Thank you. Support for manje.
Yamesha.
All meshi.
Yes.
Washa. Bon. Tunuselinto zane.
Vloggy.
Asante nusakhona.
Hayi.
Vlog. Hayi. Siyabonga. Ishayila siyabonga.
Sishali.
Ishayi.
Mamqobela.
Awungigqokele. Ngathi uma wakhe. Uma kade ekuthengela ingubo seyabuya. Lapho uthenga amapompom lapha wathanda ethi hayi right uzokhula naye.
Ukhula naye.
Befane hoodie.
Izokhula naye.
Silama.
La cobezela ebusuku ngathi lezi ekhaya.
Yo, nileze ekhanyayo. So babahle wena uzomsuya ebusuku nayo ke.
Nje. Ijezi. Yabo.
Uza
Hayi ngizokhula naye.
Uzokhula naye. Nami naye yami.
Nawe yakho izokhula nawe.
Kwavela ngathi angishaya neyami.
Hayi ngisathi
Zamuhle. That's even very nice babe. Ayo. Lapho ifika namhlanje, ifika izolo, ngithela izolo.
Ngizonixolisa into yamentsha. Na.
Azamuhle. Ayi.
Khona manje.
Hayi ke hayi. Baby gqoke black umeshe nami. Mfana likes igift yakhe. I ate. Shy girlfriend tonto. Anyuka ama points. Perfect. So it comes with what? Oh, okay. Okay. Okay, I'd love that. Guys, ukwazi ngomnandi ukudla. Besihambe sifa simbani. Sesibuyile kade siyadla sinaba. Sasa sasutha. Rate the food babe from this restaurant.
Okay. Izolo.
Yeah.
Nje semndingile namhlanje. Izolo ku-8 namhlanje ku-6.
Same meal, it's steak.
La number basenze yabo namhlanje.
Mina bethi kade mnandi ngiyanga uthanda fish. 9 out of 10. The only thing I didn't like was the mussels. But yeah, sinomfana sisegoli. So vuselela uthanda egoli.
Program yaskeleme, kelasi Jerusalem. Jule kwaya feteme, kanu mwenyene ye fetere. Dabatse adinya ke middleman, kakabunga kusenele, fatela banya karekere. Sishoka, sishoka, superstar yaskeleme. Sishoka, sishoka, superstar yaskeleme. Like this, only been days, but it felt like months. Gone for a year, only feel like months. Like move fast when you go where you want.
Awesome. Shamsen around. So. Ayi.
uthi ngisibuka
Yena nephakathi.
amakhamera azobehleli la
Ephaketheni. Angena esikhwameni.
esincane nje lesikhwama
Soyiqaqa sihlakaze peace. Soyizama ayimuhle kakhulu.
wakhanda
I-forever.
kathi yona
Azi yona inhle. Ingobi nemqhewu.
yeah
Ewuthuna.
yes
Washa. Ayazi ayinhle. Awuyabangena kusasa. Year-end function. Year-end function.
birthday celebration
Birthday celebration. Awubangena.
yabo necathulo ziyangidansisa
Oh, yeah,
baby ngingadansi ngoba ngizolo wamaphapha ayikho into enginetrauma ngayo nje ngamaphapha
unganuki-ke nawe iblaro onakho uqala futhi ufake yona le
yeah enjani
ncane
ingilimazi lakhe ngifayile izolo ingilimazi yes
awazwa muhle
Boza bethu, my hair is all washed now. Ngwasha ngenye impahla yamango, dark and lovely. I am currently uploading this vlog. So Isa upload. It's gonna take 2 hours for me to upload. Mfana Sengdubile, he's downstairs. He wanted us to get like 3 drinks because he's leaving in the morning. Yeah, well, so I don't feel like eating. This is not especially when I eat izinto mhlambe kade ngidla ama chips amazambane amaningi yabo manje sengiqonjelo ikhanda lami I look so crazy outfit ngiyayithanda kodwa ade ngayiboni kahle because the vision yekhanda sasa I'm waking up at ubanlona uJessica I'm waking up at 6:30 so akumele shothi ngivuke ngo5 this is the hairstyle I want shout out Jessica Mashawa for the inspo. It's very nice. It's different. That's my vibe for the whole entire year. So yeah, I'm charge my palatini. I'm still wearing the same things as njoba didn't bonile kuseni nje. But ngishaya ngengwe. Imeshile. Season yami ukuthanda ingwe nje kulo. Kaza bhedele ecathulo lezi mfana they are not comfortable. Uhamba uyatsheka. Angizazi mina icathulo nje. Day one sazinje. Boza mfethu kusazoba mnandi. It's easy happening. Ngempela kusasa siyobona uGrace and kade ngibona ama video abantu ku TikTok like it's trending. I didn't have TikTok for the longest time. Guys, I don't like TikTok on my phone. Normally 1 because of space but 2 TikTok mina ngiyi TikTok addict. Ngiyangisanganisa. I can spend the whole day ngilibele TikTok. Ngiyadownloada, ngiyaposta, ngiyaphuma. Ngiyadownloada, ngiyaposta, ngisebenza lokho. But on my iPad nakhona kade ngiqala ukudelete. So I've been like catching up with abantu bashaya ama vlog azamahla ama vlog abantu. It's also a very difficult to balance the two, vlogging ku YouTube and also vlogging on TikTok simultaneously. Also, when you're vlogging for the yabo hlapo Instagram nani kumele ulokujikisa ikamera ujikisa kanje ukhumbula and also ivlog yakho phela le ozoyiposta ku YouTube ingabe sekuba isifana nale vlog esizoyithola ku ivlog le ozoyiposta ku TikTok ingabe sifana nalento yonke into usujengisa yonke into sesiyazi ukuthi ku YouTube siyobukani yabo like khona ezinye izinto uyihide nani. I really like how long YouTube is and it allows you yabo ukuthi ukhulume uengage yabo be going through that journey together kodwa nje asambeni ke siyo siyaboza njana sivukile sigezile sikhathi si right sisa early so now I'm gonna go for my hair appointment then after that we're gonna do makeup and then Mrs. Ham ujabe sifikile ba okay asambeni
Where'd you go? Oh, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like horizon. With you tonight is on an island. Yeah. It's about time I'm waking up. Told you wasn't with me waking up. Now you just said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just alone without you. So come close, I want you.
This is the
before sesifikile Azande say hi.
Hi vlog.
Hello Maboza Squad.
Hello Maboza Squad.
Hello Maboza Squad. Before lo ngisazoba muhle. Phuma nje ukuthi ngisawuvijini.
Bathela mshaphi.
Bayazi kanjani? Hello Maboza Squad.
Kumba.
Kumba.
Skincare routine summertime, guys.
Chippers.
No.
Do you want them?
I forever knew.
Yes. You're doing your own makeup.
Oh,
Are you gonna
yes,
do it here or anything?
So no uyahamba, no Azande uyahamba, so hlangana khona.
Lokho kwezokusebenza.
Abadlali ka Azande. Sparkling water. Adlala guys. Jessica Mashaba.
Hey.
Now,
Ngiyaphuma
sengizoyenza i-makeup.
Ayiphuma ngithatha
Kashuke namnayo. Kashuke.
Uba muhle kanjani ngoba wenze ney'nkobe?
Hayi uyalalela.
Hair done.
Bye. Me Maboza. Maboza segoli.
Nifike wemaboza segoli. Izokwenza nangu siswe makeup.
Ayikho ready inhlobo.
Hello Maboza Squad. Guys, ngiphethe isisu. I just arrived ngabaphethe ngiphethe isisu sesibuhlungu sesami siyangikhipha ngiyabonga mngani. U-Inga sizohlangana naye ntambama sisibuya Grace because we're going to We are dark and lovely. We are dark and lovely. So bona Uncle Waffles guys, no DJ. No DJ le. Yeah. Sibathandane no Kama mhlambe sombona.
Hayi ngiphansi.
No Kabza. Engimthanda ngizengikhala.
Ukabza unamanga.
Unamanga. Ukabza the small. Ima focus. Ukhona ukabza the small and then khona no youngster. Buka mngani. Bebe. Ibi.
Bongo have a time.
Bala ekokozi. Super excited for Zayami. I hope you're still enjoying this vlog. Sambeni manje ayine sidle sihambise kade kuthiwa ephathini ufika udlile. Hayi lento yakho usulambile ke. Sengivuthi hayibo. Ngoba nasi isikhathi sendikile. This is the time we have 30 minutes to get ready. Minute time. Yeah.
Oza, this is me now. Sengiqedile. Uzoyibona kahle outfit.
Sengiyahamba mfethu manje. Yeah, gold. And I'm also carrying a gift ka Grace ngales khama lesi because I don't have a paper bag. Ningangishaya mase ningibona lapha ku live stream no H&M. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Mandy's
M-A-N-D. Okay, thank you so much. Sesifikile phoza yami kwazoka kuhle lana. I have to put my phone kancane phansi. Yeah. Kwazoka kuhle. Ngisathithiza la ngaphandle. Engibhora yile yalo engimphethe kanje. Hey kodwa ke we'll force it.
Hello Maboza Squad.
Hope ni rising. Namhlanje ngihambekade ngihamba no.
Today is Simbatha in the building.
Wes, phethi sinqonqawini siya representa la. Lokishi.
Ephasini kancami guys, seniyosihambela.
Hayi ke seniyosihambela ni.
Enjoy the rest of your day.
Sanmonan.
I'm gonna come for this. Nangifika nje batshela.
Hamba nemodel yakhe shite manje.
Is it? This is hard.
Hi, Bossa Squad. Ninjani guys? Ngiyaphiya nami sithando sami. Hello Maboza Squad. Hello Maboza Squad. Hello Maboza Squad.
Skavenina kahle kahle.
Bano.
Maboza Squad.
Everybody in China, my name is Steve Gowan, so we're here at Grace Montana Spa. I'm a cocktail, but it's just 10 years. So that's 20 rand including the management.
Oh, okay.
Hello,
my Boza Squad.
Hello, my Boza Squad.
Hello, my Boza Squad.
Hello, my Boza Squad. Njani?
Ubanona.
Sister Boza.
Hello, my Boza Squad. Welcome to the vlog.
Single one of you. How special you are to me. How you are a real one. Oh my goodness. We're gonna have a feast. We're gonna have a good time. Party. Eat.
Yes.
And most importantly, we are going to celebrate the year 2025. What we want to do now is that we're going to have a photo opportunity. I'm going to come down. We're going to have a great time with photos because you got to take it while this dress lasts, okay? Make use of that. But first, I can't walk down while we are looking like that down there. So somebody is going to do the right thing. DJ, please play some music and we are going to start doing what we do best.
Thank you so much, guys.
Hello, my Boza Squad!
I've been so many places in my life and time. I've sung a lot of songs.
Hello, my Boza Squad.
Joburg.
Hello, Maboza Squad. Namhlanje ngihleli ne-type yethu.
Awuyadlala?
Ngiyadlala. Mina nginomfana-ke, akafani ngisho.
Akafani nami.
Kodwa i-type yenu-ke guys le. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Maboza.
Andonjane, Mlindo is performing, guys. Way, kodwa maphela inyanga, ngize kuwe ngibheke kuwe sithandwa sami.
Where'd you go? Oh, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like a horizon. With you tonight is on an island. Yeah. It's about time I'm waking up. I told you wasn't with me waking up. Now you feel said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just alone without you. So come close, I want you. Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We've had this place on I'm praying that guy really sends it home. What about the Njala, my photograph?
Thank you so much, guys. You look amazing today, and everything you guys look stunning. And again, thank you so guys.
Nami sengizona ku-grace gift yakhe. Hi.
How much people, and that's not my mistake. They do that because they can feel the light, they can feel the warmth it radiates through even a phone screen. So how special you are. This is not a mistake. You're here for a reason. First, you're killing it. Congratulations. This is only the beginning. We are busy. Down.
What is my profession? What is your profession?
Are we qualified? I'm about to post this. I just edited it now. And the time is 7.
arrived endlini egoli yonke into ikude, like everything is so far from each other. Kodwa ka kwi-event le engiya kuyona manje 30 minutes away, ngivuzele ama-stairs ngikutshengisa ukuthi bekhona phakathi la. Ngasiphe masela water Nivea, basipha i-roll on magraysana wasebenza ntombazana wema wasipha ne-sunscreen awema plus kade ngifuna ukuzama i-sunscreen kaNive kodwa ngisebenzisa ka-La Roche and la enye i-roll on ngaze ngajabula ngaze ngathi yini le nelabelo, shout out Grace. Overall, the event was very nice. Sidlile, sisuthi, sidansile, sibusile. Noma mfethu mina sengisukume kokugcina ngiyophakade ngisa-edit video le ngifuna ukuyipost. Mengithi ngiyalona guys, inyama seyiphelile. I was only left with chicken, but beyikhona inyama ukuthi ayizonke ama sausage nani. But manje ngizoshintsha. After ngishintsha guys, ngizogqoka ngiyahamba uwafuzi uperforma manje. Akuwafuzi uperforma manje ngo-22. Asambe guys, ngo-22. Sambile. Yona outfit.
driver has arrived. Uzayami. Ngifuna ungasho. Ngisasho futhi namanje ngiyeluwa futhi mina lapha. Perform manje in the next 20 minutes. The location is 13 minutes away. 13 minutes away. Okay. Sisifakathi emalayithini. What's the Van Dyke? Yele party. Hello Maboza squad. Hamba nedando ke namhlanje.
Lalela mfethu idando lasenamuthi mfethu sifikile Durban lana ithini?
Shabu. Akusakuhle. Hayi.
Fele kamba. Ngithela case, are kuma gogo ke le tshegela tsa go landa. Ngithela stock sala kho.
Wow.
that was our perfect Johannesburg vlog. Okay, end a live vlog. I hope you really enjoyed. Let me know in the comments which parts you enjoyed the most. Sengiyahamba manje ngekhaya. Ngizobe sengiyopheka ngibuyela eThekwini kahle on Monday or Tuesday when I'm well rested and I have my voice. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Bye. I'm gonna see you on the next vlog.